Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the oxidation of alcohol to aldehyde. Oxidation of alcohol, 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol. Oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. By using following reagent, at first following reagent PCC. We know the PCC formed by the combination of pyridine and hydrochloric acid and chromium trioxide. Another is chromium trioxide in anhydrous medium. Copper at 573 Kelvin. These are the reagents which used to convert 1 degree alcohol to aldehyde. 1 degree alcohol to aldehyde. What are the mechanisms involved? Try to understand. Mechanism to convert alcohol to aldehyde by using PCC. We can take any primary alcohol in presence of PCC. Formation of aldehyde. So, how the mechanism proceed? Let us see. At first, the structure of PCC like this. It is made up of pyridine, hydrochloric acid and chromium trioxide. Here the structure of PCC. It is a complex compound. The lone pair present on the nitrogen take this oxygen and acquire positive charge, and here oxygen acquire negative charge. This is the structure of PCC. At first, lone pair of alcohol, oxygen, donate their lone pair electron to the chromium. Simultaneously, pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. When it comes back towards its, the good leaving group chlorine removes in the form of chloride. Oxygen donates the lone pair electron to the chromium. Pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. When it comes back, the good leaving chlorine group is removed. Now we have chromium and here is the oxygen. Oxygen acquire positive charge. So this bond shifted towards it and hydrogen removed from here. Simultaneously, this hydrogen accepted by this protons. This electrons means oxygen accept this protons. Now the formation of here is CH2, so we can write in this form oxygen now connected like this. This is the structure of compound. Here this hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen. Our main group is this, and carbon attached, hydrogen attached this carbon is acidic in nature. So removal of H plus takes place, and this is accepted by chlorine, and this bond shifted towards between carbon and oxygen. So in that condition, this bond between oxygen and chromium shifted towards chromium. Now removal of hydrogen chloride takes place, and see this compound carbon, here is the double bond and the formation of aldehyde takes place. Formation of aldehyde. This compound when this bond shifted towards the chromium, the pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. So this compound exists in this form, and when it accepts H plus, it becomes like this. We can also check the oxidation number of chromium. Here the oxidation number of chromium is, oxidation state is +6, and here the oxidation state of chromium is +4. So +6 to +4 means this is going to reduce and alcohol going to oxidize. Once again, mechanism involved when primary alcohol, this is primary alcohol, when primary alcohol converted to aldehyde by using pyridinium chlorochromate. This is the complex compound when pyridine and chromium trioxide and hydrochloric acid combine to form a complex compound. Oxygen, at first oxygen donate their lone electron to the chromium. Simultaneously, pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. When this electron come back towards the chromium, a good living group, chlorine, we know that chloride is a good living group. Chlorine removed from here. Now we have this intermediate compound. Here the positive charge appears on the oxygen atom. So oxygen take this electron and removal of H plus takes place. When H plus removed, it is accepted by this. Means oxygen donate the electron to this H plus. Now we have a compound in which we see here carbon attached to this main group oxygen, and here is the 2 hydrogen which is acidic in nature. So chloride removed during the reaction approaches the H plus, means it donate the electron to this H plus ion and release in the form of hydrogen chloride, and the bond shifted between the carbon and oxygen. Here the formation of aldehyde takes place. And what happens about this compound? The bond present between oxygen and chromium shifted towards the chromium, and chromium then accept H plus ion, it becomes again a compound, and we can check this reagent get reduced and alcohol get oxidized. Alcohol means primary alcohol. Primary alcohol get oxidized to aldehyde state by using pyridinium chlorochromate. Now, the last oxidation reaction is dehydrogenation of alcohol. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Action of heated copper. When 1 degree alcohol, vapors of alcohol pass through the heated copper at 573 Kelvin, formation of aldehyde takes place. Formation of aldehyde takes place. We can write in this form also. Removal of hydrogen. Formation of ethanol. Ethanol to ethanol. Next, what about 2 degree alcohol? When 2 degree alcohol passed to heated copper at 573 Kelvin, formation of ketone takes place. We can write the example also. Here is the removal of this hydrogen and this hydrogen. When vapors of alcohol pass through the heated copper at 573 Kelvin. So, the product will be ketone. 1 degree alcohol converted to aldehyde. When the vapors of 1 degree alcohol pass through the heated copper at this temperature 573 Kelvin, 2 degree alcohol always converted into ketone. And the most important 3 degree alcohol. 3 degree alcohol does not undergoes to oxidation. When it passes through the heated copper at 573 Kelvin, there will be dehydration reaction takes place. Dehydration takes place instead of dehydrogenation. So the product is unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is very important reaction. 1 degree alcohol oxidized to aldehyde, 2 degree alcohol oxidized to ketone, but 3 degree alcohol never oxidized in presence of heated copper at this temperature. Here is the dehydration takes place and the product will be 2-methyl propene or isobutylene. Remember this reaction. With this reaction, oxidation of alcohol completed. we will discuss the acidic nature of phenol and compare with the acidic nature of alcohol. Acidic nature of phenol. Phenol, when treated with aqueous NaOH, it forms sodium phenoxide plus H2O. Resonating structure of phenol. The lone pair present on the oxygen shifted towards the ring, and the pi electron between this and this carbon shifted towards this position. Means with respect to functional group, this position is known as ortho position. At ortho position, negative charge appears. Here will be double bond and oxygen acquire positive charge. When positive charge appears on the oxygen, it pulled the electron, pulled the bond which is formed between oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen pulled this bond towards itself and ease of hydrogen takes place easily. Now this electron come between this position and here the para position acquire negative charge. When electron moves here, this electron moves here. This electron come here and again goes at that position. Resulting structure help to understand the acidic nature of phenol. Due to resonance, oxygen acquire positive charge, so hydrogen easily release, and we see that there is no resulting structure takes place in alcohol. At first we see here phenol when treated with aqueous NaOH, it forms sodium phenoxide, whereas alcohol when treated with aqueous NaOH, no reaction takes place. This is the main difference between the phenol and alcohol. And also we can distinguish the phenol alcohol. Phenol turns red litmus, turns blue litmus to red, show the acidic character, whereas alcohol neither turns blue litmus to red. It is very easy distinguish chemical test phenol or alcohol. Phenol react with aqueous NaOH, whereas alcohol do not react with aqueous NaOH. Phenol turns blue litmus to red. Alcohol neither turns blue litmus to red, neither react with aqueous NaOH. And now we compare the acidic nature of alcohol with phenol. Which one will be more acidic? Phenol when treated with water, lone pair present on this due to resonance oxygen acquire positive charge, so this bond shifted towards the oxygen and ease of hydrogen in the H plus form easily, and simultaneously water gives their lone pair electrons to the water and the formation of phenoxide ion takes place. Phenoxide ion takes place. See the resonating structure of phenoxide ion also. Phenoxide ion, this is phenoxide ion. Negative charge present on the oxygen atom comes between oxygen and carbon, and this electron, pi electron shifted towards the oxygen ortho position. No positive charge appears during this resonating structure. This shifted towards it, this shifted towards. Now we see the resonating structure of phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion, oxygen, which is electronegative in nature, does not acquire positive charge, and so that we can say that this phenol and their conjugate base phenoxide ion is more stable. So in case of alcohol, when the formation of alkoxide ion, their base, this is alkoxide ion, this is not stabilized by resonance, and also we see here the alkyl group release the electron density on oxygen atom due to plus I effect. So we compare by this which one will be more acidic, alcohol or phenol. Phenol, the conjugate base is stabilized by resonance, whereas epoxide ion does not stabilized by resonance, and also their oxygen is unstable due to more electron density.